Dear viewers, today I'm taking you inside a small but incredible workshop where a few skilled workers handcraft hundreds of 9mm ammunition bullets every single day. There are no giant machines here, no automated factory lines, yet every step is filled with precision, focus, and unmatched craftsmanship. Let's see how powerful 9mm bullets are created entirely by human hands. First, small pieces of brass are laid out on the work table. These tiny brass cups will soon turn into 9mm cartridge cases. Each worker cuts the brass strips and shapes them into small cups. Then, using a hand press, they slowly draw and stretch them into perfect cartridge cases. Every push, every press shows the harmony between metal and the worker's experience. Once the cases are shaped, they are placed on trays. Each case is then manually inspected, checking the mouth, the sides, the length, and any tiny dents. Anything slightly bent, longer, shorter, or imperfect is immediately separated. Good ones on one side, bad ones on the other. There are no computers here. No laser measuring tools, just human eyes and years of experience deciding what is acceptable and what is not. Next comes the primer installation. In one corner, two workers sit at a wooden table with rows of primers in front of them. They insert each primer into the case by hand and press it with their fingers to ensure it fits perfectly. Again, anything that feels loose or misaligned is placed in the reject tray. Then comes one of the most delicate stages, filling gunpowder. A small manual weighing scale sits on the side. One worker pours a measured scoop of powder into every single case. Each one is checked individually, because even the slightest mistake in gunpowder measurement can lead to a bullet misfire or a dangerous malfunction. They work slowly, carefully, and with absolute focus. Now it's time to prepare the bullet heads, the projectiles. Lead cores are already made in small cylindrical shapes. Workers slide copper jackets over those cores and use a simple hand press to create perfectly shaped bullet heads. Everything here is slow, calm, and fully manual. No machinery noise, just the soft metallic tick-tick of hand presses. Next, the bullet head is seated into the powder-filled case. The worker lifts a case, places the projectile on top, and presses it slowly with a manual tool. They check seating depth by eye and by feel. Then, they crimp the mouth of the case around the bullet, using another small manual device, ensuring the head stays firmly locked. When all the bullets are assembled, it's time for the most important phase, testing. At the back of the workshop, there's a small concrete test chamber. The workers load a few bullets into a test pistol and fire them. They observe the chambering, the sound consistency, the feeding smoothness, and they pick up the fired cases to examine the primer marks and case deformation. Bullets that perform perfectly are placed in the OK tray. Bullets with issues like weak crimping, wrong powder balance, misfired primers, or feeding problems are immediately separated. They analyze the causes. Was the lead not seated right? Was the powder measurement off? Was the case slightly bent? And they adjust their craft for the next batch. Finally, the perfect bullets are polished by hand with a soft cloth. Then they are arranged neatly in small boxes. Each worker ensures the rows look clean, straight, and identical. When something is made by hand, it carries responsibility, pride, and care, and this workshop reflects exactly that. They know that every bullet must perform flawlessly, and so every piece is made with dedication. As the day ends, the workers stand beside the hundreds of bullets they created, from raw brass to final polished ammo, all crafted, checked, and tested with their own hands. This quiet little workshop proves something powerful. No matter how advanced technology becomes, the beauty of skilled human labor will always remain unmatched. And that's how a small team of craftsmen produces hundreds of handmade 9mm ammo bullets every day. Powerful, precise, and made with full attention and passion. If you enjoyed this factory journey, don't forget to like, share, and comment. We'll see you again with another amazing manufacturing story.